Welcome back to the online training hub, and today we're going to cover leg conditioning to get your kicks higher and controlled and more precision within your kicks, okay? Before we get going with these exercises, please make sure you're warm, really warm before doing this video, okay? If you're warm, then grab yourself a mat, a wall if you have one, or a chair, and let's get going. So, place the opposite hand to the leg that you're going to use on the wall or a chair, that whatever you're using. And the first exercise we're going to do is side to side, okay? So you're going to raise one leg up across your body. Try and keep that leg nice and straight. And you're just going to do a horizontal plane across. So from here, you're going to go here and then back, okay? There and back. Good, 10 of those. Perfect. Change legs, guys. Let's go. 10 more.
That's just love. I would never let you down. That's just love. And you keep on thinking that's just love.
Good. Okay, moving on to the next drill. We're going to do semicircles. Over one way, back the other. So watch from here. You're going to do a big circle, up and around, down. Don't touch the floor. You can if you need to. If you need to touch the floor, please do. If not, keep it up and bring it back, okay? Nice and controlled. 10. Good.
That's just love. That's just love. I would never let you down. That's just love. And you keep on thinking that's just love.
Perfect. And same on the other side, guys. Let's go. Good. Okay, this next one we're going to do is just straight lift up and down, keeping that leg nice and straight, lifting it up to the highest point of your flexibility and back down again, nice and controlled. Don't swing it, use your muscles, okay? Ready? And 10. Good. Straight onto that other leg. Perfect. And the next one we're going to do is circles round, okay? Small circles, just really working those hips. So from here, you're going to place your leg out around head height and you're going to do circles round, okay? 5 one way and then 5 the other way. Good. Switch legs. Exactly the same thing. Very well done, guys. So moving on, the next one we're going to do in the final leg conditioning for today, we're going to do pulses, okay? So you're going to bring your leg up to your highest point of flexibility whilst holding your kick out, okay? So from here, say I can kick out and hold it here, okay? From there, you're just going to pulse past that place of flexibility, returning to that same level. Try not to drop it, okay? So from here, we're going to do 10 bounces. And let's go. Good. Exactly the same thing on the opposite leg. Again, hold it out and pulse. Good. And that's your session complete for today, guys. I hope those legs are burning, that butt's burning, and you're feeling the rewards from today's session. Leg conditioning is so important if you want fast kicks, if you want high kicks, if you want to be able to stick and hold those kicks, okay? It's almost as important as stretching, because people come to me and they say, I can do the splits, so why can't I hold my leg up? And this is exactly the reason why. You need to be flexible, you need to stretch, but you also need to do the leg conditioning to gain the strength as well as the flexibility, okay? It's really, really important, guys, that you work these leg conditioning exercises alongside your stretching, all right? If you've got any questions, please drop them below to me. If not, I'll catch you next Friday for our next tutorial or video. I'll see you then. Bye, guys.